Section 1. The ghost in your machine. Unmasking your digital twin. So, you think your online life is private. That's adorable. Really. You've got your little privacy settings on Facebook, you use a nickname on Reddit, and you think you're basically a digital ghost. Well, I'm here to tell you that your ghost is leaving footprints everywhere, and they're easier to follow than a trail of breadcrumbs leading to a political scandal. We all leave these little digital traces, these tiny echoes of our clicks and posts. They build up over time, creating a second you, a digital twin that knows all your secrets. From that embarrassing GeoCities page you made in 1999 to the password you've been reusing since high school. It's not a question of if someone can find this stuff, but how quickly. This matters to everyone, not just spies or celebrities trying to hide from the paparazzi. It's for you, applying for a job without that old forum post about your love for terrible boy bands showing up. It's for the parent making sure their kids' details aren't scattered like confetti. A new generation of tools, particularly on open-source platforms like Linux, has made this process scarily simple. We're not talking about some dark web hacking software here. We're talking about a tool that can map your entire online existence in the time it takes to make instant noodles. It's a wake-up call in a box. A mirror showing you exactly what the world sees. The beauty and the horror is its simplicity. You don't need a computer science degree or a hoodie in a dark room. The idea is to take the power from data brokers and advertisers and put it back in your hands. Why? Because you can't protect what you don't know exists. Think of it like a home security system. You wouldn't just lock the front door. You'd check the windows, the back door, maybe that cellar entrance. Make sure you haven't left a key under the mat for the entire internet to find. Section 2. The 3-minute reckoning, running the scan. Alright, let's fire this thing up. The first step is easy, lulling you into a false sense of security. You open the tool, maybe in a simple terminal window or a clean web interface running locally on your Linux machine. No alarms, no flashing red lights, just a blinking cursor waiting patiently. It innocently asks for a name, an email address, a username. This is the moment of truth. You type that old Hotmail you use for junk, or the clever username from when you were 15. For this demo, let's use a common name, a John Doe of the internet. You hesitate. What could it possibly find? Then you click scan, and the hunt begins. This is where the magic happens. The tool doesn't just Google you. Oh no, child's play. It unleashes digital bloodhounds querying hundreds, sometimes thousands of public sources simultaneously. It checks social sites you've never heard of, dives into data breach archives, scrapes forum posts from a decade ago, like sending 1,000 librarians to find every book that mentions your name. A progress bar inches by, scanning social networks, checking data leaks, analyzing public records, each message a reminder of where data hides. It's looking for everything: abandoned Twitter, tagged photos on Flickr, your name in news comments, any compromised credentials, a digital deep clean. It's surprisingly fast. Before your coffee cools, the scan completes. 157 results. Your jaw drops. The tool has done its job, woven disparate threads into a single tapestry. Now, you have to look at it. This isn't just links, it's a biography written by the internet. Section 3. A digital hoarder's garage sale, sifting through the results. Now comes the fun part, rummaging through your digital junk drawer. The results are neatly categorized, the tool's polite way of organizing your personal chaos. First, social accounts. There it is. Your old MySpace profile, complete with an emo photo, and the top 8. A Bebo account you don't remember, a Pinterest board for a hobby you gave up, 5 different Twitter profiles, each one a time capsule, publicly available for recruiters, new dates, and nosy relatives to judge. Next, the data leaks tab, and your heart sinks. A random forum from 2012 compromised. If you're like most people, you use that same password everywhere. You might even see a snippet. The internet's giant sign: you've been doing this all wrong. Less nostalgia, more fire alarm. Change your locks immediately. Then the unexpected: property ownership details, business filings, metadata from a PDF you posted, or a photo you uploaded years ago. I once saw a 2014 game high score pop-up. These crumbs can be pieced together. Someone with time could build a profile of your life. It's the garage sale of your soul. How to read a record. It shows the source, like LinkedIn. Or, Adobe Breach 2013. Click to see exactly what the public sees. For a leak, it may not show the full password, but it will confirm your email was in the breach. Crucial. It's not just telling you there's a fire. It's telling you which room. That turns a mountain of data into a manageable, if terrifying, to-do list. Section 4. Operation Digital Cleanup. Taking back control. Seeing the mess is one thing, cleaning it up is another, but don't panic, you now have a map to every forgotten corner. First order of business, triage. Go to owned accounts, log into every ancient profile you found. If you don't need it, delete it. It's hygiene, like shredding old documents to prevent future misuse. Tedious but incredibly satisfying. Next, tackle data breaches. Non-negotiable. If your email's in a leak, assume the password is public knowledge. Go change it immediately. Do not add a 2 at the end. Use a password manager to generate long, random, unique passwords. Enable two-factor wherever offered. It's your digital seatbelt. Minor inconvenience that saves you in a crash. Tricky items. Old forum posts, news comments. You can't delete those yourself. Contact site admins and politely request removal, citing privacy. Some will comply, some won't. Especially for sensitive info, it's worth a shot. For images, use report tools for posts without consent. It's your data. Ask for it to be taken down.